It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. How to detect the symptoms of Lyme disease in dogs. So what if you suspect your dog has been infected after a pleasant walk in the park? What is Lyme disease, and can dogs get it? Yes, but don't panic. Lyme disease is caused by a bacterium found in ticks, called Borrelia, also known as borreliosis. When a tick attaches, its saliva enters the bloodstream, allowing the bacteria to travel to various tissues and organs. An infected tick can remain attached for several hours to feed. Just like humans, dogs are susceptible to the disease when bitten by an infected tick, although most dogs exposed to Lyme disease do not become ill. However, it is important to pay attention to the symptoms, as Lyme disease can become chronic if left untreated. What are the symptoms of Lyme disease in dogs? Although Lyme disease can manifest differently in each dog, some may not show any symptoms at all. It's also important to note that symptoms usually appear only between 2 and 5 months after the bite. Some common signs to watch for in your dog include lameness. This is due to joint inflammation, which is also one of the most common signs of Lyme disease in dogs. Lameness may come and go, or it may move from one leg to another. Pay close attention to your dog if you notice this. It usually starts in the joints closest to the tick bite. Fever, high temperature. Your dog may also develop a fever, which can lead to a loss of appetite. Joint pain. If you notice stiffness or signs of pain in the joints, especially during movement, this could be a sign of Lyme disease. Swollen lymph nodes. Your dog's lymph nodes may be enlarged, especially around the affected joints. Depression. If your dog is infected, you may notice signs of depression or changes in behavior. Lethargy. Your dog may feel exhausted and sluggish due to the illness, which you'll notice in a reduced activity level. Reduced appetite. Your dog's appetite will be noticeably reduced when they're unwell, so keep an eye on this. Increased water consumption and urination. If you notice your dog drinking or urinating more than usual, this could be a sign of illness. 3. How to prevent ticks on dogs and what to do if you find ticks on your dog. Ticks are most prevalent during the spring and summer, so it's crucial to pay extra attention during those months. Ticks are common in wooded areas, forests, and grasslands, so during these seasons, it's advisable to walk on clear trails. Long-haired dogs are more susceptible to ticks, and their fur makes them harder to spot. I recommend thoroughly brushing your dog's coat after a walk to check for any parasites. Some measures you can take to prevent ticks include using tick control products recommended and prescribed by veterinarians, usually topical treatments, collars, or oral medications. These can repel and eliminate ticks on your dog if used correctly. To detect ticks quickly, it's important to check your dog regularly, especially after they've spent time outdoors. Areas to check more carefully include the ears, between the toes, under the paws, and around the neck. You can also purchase a tick remover. Do not attempt to remove the tick with tweezers or your fingers, as the head is likely to become embedded in the dog's skin when you pull out the body, or you could end up pushing blood into the dog's body. If you are having trouble removing ticks or are afraid, you can contact your veterinarian for assistance. 4. What to do if you suspect your dog may have Lyme disease. Consult your veterinarian as soon as possible for an accurate diagnosis. They will be able to run tests to determine if your dog has Lyme disease or any other illness and provide the appropriate treatment. Ticks are a very common insect and can easily bite you and your dog. Although bites can lead to Lyme disease and other complications, ticks are usually harmless if removed promptly and bites are controlled. Therefore, regularly check your dog for ticks after every walk. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.